Hello my crafty friends, this is Monica from Allsewpetite. In this video I will review the Fiskars SewSharp Restorer. I have a pair of very old scissors that I've never sharpened before, and I prepared two pieces of fabric. First I'm going to use one before I use the tool to show you how dull my scissors are, and the other piece I will use after I sharpened my scissors using the SewSharp Restorer. So if you want to find out if this little tool actually works, then keep on watching. So before I start, I want to show you that there is a minimum amount of information itself provided with this product. So you have a photo on the front show you how to use the product, and on the back you will find informations in many languages, but the information is very limited. It will only tell you that this tool restores scissors to a precise cutting edge and that it works with both left and right-handed scissors. So this is the actual tool when it's taken out of the box. So you have a grip here to hold it with your thumb and your forefinger, and then we have a bar in the middle, which I'm guessing going to sharpen our scissors. But first let me demonstrate how dull my scissors are. So I have a piece of fabric here and I'm just going to cut it in a few places. So as you see, my scissors are quite sharp around that edge, but not much on the beginning of the blade. So if I just want to cut something just with the edge of my blade, nothing happens, as you see. I can only cut it when I go on the very end, and then it stops at a certain point halfway through. So this is the state of my scissors right now. If you follow the instructions provided on the packaging, you will notice that there is a photo on the front which tells you to put the scissors inside that opening and the other part of the scissors on top here when the opening is, just like that. And it doesn't really tell you anything else. So if I follow the informations that I found on the internet, some suggest to insert the scissors inside and then drag it outside and close it at the same time as if you were cutting something. So you would have to do this motion of sharpening the blade by pretending you are cutting that bar in the middle here. So let's see if that actually works. So I'm going to hold it tightly with my left hand and then insert my scissors inside, and I'm going to try to cut it out, pulling my scissor at the same time. I'm not sure how many times I should do it, but I'll do it a few more times till I feel that it's quite smooth, because it is actually getting better. Okay, let's see if this actually worked. So I have that piece of fabric here. No, still it does stop at the middle. Still doesn't really do anything for my scissors. Let me just try something else. Instead of putting two blades at the same time, I'm going to try to do one by one and just maybe drag it like this. I had a very high hopes for this tool, but if I'm completely honest, I would not recommend it. As you see, I have tried different ways and it didn't really do much for my scissors. There is a slight chance that I might have used it incorrectly because of the limited amount of information provided. So let me know in the comments if you are using this tool and if it works for you. That's all from me. See you next time. Stay crafty, friends.